Hello everyone, welcome to chemistry class. I hope all are practicing at home. Now, what we were on to? We were discussing about the preparation of haloalkanes from alcohols, from haloalkanes chapter. From alcohols, we can prepare the alkyl halides. First one, halogen acids. This is a juice process. Alcohols are heated with Lucas reagent. Lucas reagent is concentrated hydrochloric acid and anhydrous zinc chloride. Next, second preparation method from alcohol is phosphorus halides. Phosphorus trihalides and phosphorus pentahalides are heated with alcohols to form alkyl halides. We have done these two preparation methods in previous class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about the thionyl chloride. Preparation of haloalkanes from thionyl chloride. Alcohols are refluxed by using thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine base to form alkyl chloride. The general equation of preparation of alkyl halides from alcohols are refluxed by using thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine base. Refluxed to form alkyl chloride plus hydrogen chloride plus sulfur dioxide will form. This is the general equation of preparation of alkyl chloride from thionyl chloride. Let's take an example for this reaction. Methyl alcohol is refluxed by using thionyl chloride in the presence of pyridine base to form methyl chloride plus sulfur dioxide plus hydrochloric acid. This preparation method is better than all other preparation methods because in this method we will get sulfur dioxide gas and hydrochloric acid gas. Both are gases in the mixture. Both are gas are the byproducts. These byproducts are escaping from the mixture, evaporating from the mixture easily, leaving behind pure alkyl chloride. That's why it is the best preparation method to alkyl chlorides. By using of this method, we cannot prepare the alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide. The reason behind is sulfonyl bromide highly unstable. Due to the unstability of sulfonyl bromide, we cannot prepare the alkyl bromide from thionyl bromide reaction. And next one, thionyl iodide. Thionyl iodide is does not exist. Due to these two reasons, we cannot prepare the alkyl bromide and alkyl iodide by this method. Next preparation method, halogen exchange method. In halogen exchange method, two types of reactions are there. Both are very important. First one, Finkelstein reaction. By using now this Finkelstein reaction, we can prepare the alkyl iodides. We can prepare the alkyl iodide from alkyl chloride and alkyl bromide. The general equation of this reaction, alkyl halide, means instead of X we can write chloride or bromide. Alkyl chloride or alkyl bromides are heated with a sodium iodide solution in the presence of dry acetone to form alkyl iodide plus sodium halide will form. Here X is equal to halide. Let's take an example for this reaction. Methyl chloride react with the sodium iodide solution in the presence of dry acetone to form methyl iodide plus sodium chloride solution will form. Sodium chloride and sodium bromide, these two subproducts are does not dissolve in the dry acetone. They are get precipitated in the mixture. When they are precipitated, we have to filter out. Sodium bromide and sodium chloride both are filtered out to prevent the backward reaction according to the Lee-Chartier principle. What I am saying here, sodium chloride and sodium bromide both are precipitated in acetone. They are precipitated in acetone. Either sodium chloride, sodium bromide precipitate will form. We have to separate them by using the filtration method. Filter the sodium chloride and sodium bromide. It helps to prevent the backward reaction according to Lee-Chartier's principle. According to Lee-Chartier principle, either sodium chloride, sodium bromide precipitate will form in the mixture. We have to remove by using a filtration. Then the backward reaction is prevented. So the forward reaction is favorable to. You will get the highest quantity of alkyl iode. This is the Finkelstein reaction. Next, Schwarz reaction. In halogenation method, second one is a Schwarz reaction. In Schwarz reaction, by using the Schwarz reaction, we can prepare the alkyl fluorides. Alkyl fluorides or alkyl bromides are react with the silver fluoride or mercurous fluoride or antimony trifluoride or cobalt fluoride in the presence of dry acetone to form alkyl fluoride. The reaction is called Schwarz reaction. General equation of Schwarz reaction: alkyl halide instead of its chlorine or bromine is reacted with the silver fluoride in the presence of dry acetone to form alkyl fluoride plus AgX. Silver halide will form. This is the general equation of Schwarz reaction. Instead of X, chlorine or bromine we have taken. Alkyl chloride or alkyl bromides are react with the silver fluoride. Instead of silver fluoride, we can take mercurous fluoride HgF2 or cobalt fluoride or antimony trifluoride as a reagent. Any one of these we can use as a reagent to convert the alkyl fluoride, alkyl bromide into alkyl fluoride. Here alkyl fluoride, cobalt trifluoride and antimony trifluoride, generally these are used to substitute the halogen atom when chlorine and bromine both are present on the same carbon atom. Two or more halogen atoms present on the same carbon atom. In such cases, we have to use cobalt difluoride or antimony trifluoride to replace the or exchange the chlorine or bromine from the same carbon atom. Let's take an example for this reaction. Ethyl bromide is reacting with the silver fluoride in the presence of dry acetone to form ethyl fluoride plus silver bromide will form. One more example. 2,2 dichloropropane. 2,2 dichloropropane. Now the halogen atoms present on the same carbon atom. In such cases, we have to use instead of silver fluoride, cobalt fluoride or antimony trifluoride. I am taking antimony trifluoride in the presence of dry acetone. In the presence of dry acetone to form 2,2 difluoropropane. 2,2 difluoropropane. Now the halogen atom, two chlorine atoms are substituted by fluorine atoms. Including this, you will get byproduct that is antimony trichloride. 2 moles of 2,2 dichloro-propane react with antimony chloride. How many are there? 2 moles. So 2 moles of antimony trichloride. So this is balanced now. 2 moles of 2,2 dichloro-propane. This is a Schwarz reaction. These two reactions are very important in the theory as well as in competition. We will write the reaction, complete the reaction, name the reaction. They will give sometimes general equation, name the reaction. What's the name of this reaction? Schwarz reaction. When alkyl fluorides are converted into alkyl fluorides means, you should remember, alkyl fluorides means Schwarz reaction. When alkyl chloride and alkyl bromides are converted into alkyl iodide means it is a Finkelstein reaction. These two reactions are very important. Next preparation method, Hansa-Tinker reaction. This is also important reaction. When silver salt of carboxylic acid dissolved in carbon tetrachloride react with bromine, it undergoes decomposition to form alkyl bromide. Initially, this is silver salt of carboxylic acid dissolved in carbon tetrachloride solvent, and again it is reacted with bromine to form alkyl bromide plus carbon dioxide gas plus silver bromide will form. This is a general equation of Hansa-Tinker reaction. By using the first year Hansa-Tinker reaction, we can prepare the alkyl bromide by using the silver salt of carboxylic acid. Let's take an example for this. Silver acetate is reacting with bromine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride, or silver salt of carboxylic acid dissolved in carbon tetrachloride reacting with the bromine. It undergoes decomposition reaction to form methyl bromide plus carbon dioxide plus silver bromide will form. By using of this reaction, we can prepare the alkyl chloride also, but it is a very poor, lesser in quantity. The reaction silver acetate is reacting with Cl2 in the presence of carbon tetrachloride. It undergoes decomposition reaction to form methyl chloride. It is a very poor in quantity, very lesser in quantity. Remaining acid will form carbon dioxide plus AgCl will form. Alkyl iodide cannot prepare by using of this method. When alkyl iodides cannot prepare by this method, when silver salt of carboxylic acid is dissolved in carbon tetrachloride is reacted with iodine, it undergoes decomposition reaction to form esters. Silver acetate is reacting with iodine in the presence of carbon tetrachloride to form ester. Include this ester. Similar byproducts are the carbon dioxide and AgI, silver iodide will form. Okay. Alkyl iodides are cannot prepared by using of this Hansa-Tinker reaction. Majorly it is prepared alkyl bromides only. reaction. These are the preparation methods of haloalganes. Let's take